Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a good one for you. If you want to hear the deets on this beautiful wig that I'm wearing, be sure and stay tuned. This video is sponsored by Ywigs. This is their 20-inch full lace Brazilian curly unit. As you can see, you're gonna get about 6 inches apart in space on this unit. There's a lot of versatility as far as parting. It has the standard 2 combs on the side, 1 in the back, and there's also the removable and adjustable elastic band. And since this is a curly wig, you guys know I like to co-wash the unit beforehand. And I like to use my Denman brush and my Aussie Moist conditioner. And I'm going to just saturate the hair with water and then rub the conditioner through. And then I comb it through with the Denman brush to get out any tangles and kinks. And then you're gonna be sure and wash the unit using cold water to seal in that conditioner. So I'm going to create a side part on this unit. Since I washed it, it has no part right now. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look of this pre-plucked hairline. But as you guys know, I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this unit just a little bit more. I don't feel like curly units need to be plucked too much. They are one of the more forgiving wigs. But I'm gonna just pluck this unit just a little bit more to my liking. So I'm going to add some of my Nairobi foaming mousse and apply it to the top of this hair. And I'm going to just comb this through as I continue to mold the hair while it's wet. As a last step, I'm just taking some temporary color, I'm taking the end of a comb, and I'm cleaning up that part in space. And lastly, I'm going to cut the lace of this unit off. I interchange between using the eyebrow razor and the scissors. And halfway through, you guys can already see that this lace is melting in with my skin. And last, I'm going to just apply some Got2b glue spray to the corner of the unit, and I'm going to glue that down. I wasn't going to, but I'm going to apply some of my Got To Be Glue kinkier curling moves. I really like to apply these to my curly units. It really helps to bring out the curl. It's really helping to define it. Okay, doll, so I had to go get my lipstick on to complete this look. Let me go ahead and take this off. Let you guys see how this looks. And this hair is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I am in love with these curls. And you guys saw this was a really easy install. I didn't intend on wearing this glueless, but this cap just fit my head so perfectly and it's really comfortable. So it was just kind of like, why not just wear it glueless? I did put a little bit of Got To Be glue spray on the edges in case I want to wear it to the back, which in all honesty, I probably won't because I don't usually wear my curly wigs with the hair to the back. So that was actually a really unnecessary step. Otherwise, this unit is glueless. And the curls are popping, okay? Let's just acknowledge that. The curls are popping. Now, let me give you the deets on this unit. As I mentioned, this wig is from Ywigs. This is my first time working with them, and actually it's my fault that I've taken so long to review the unit. I kind of had it sitting, and I really appreciate their patience with me, but I'm so glad I got to get this review out, especially before the holidays, because I know you girls are looking for some units to purchase for the holidays. Which, by the way, speaking of, I am thinking about doing a top 5 vendor video. What do you guys think? Is that something y'all be interested in seeing? If so, go ahead and leave that comment in the comment section down below. But this particular unit, as I mentioned, is from Ywigs. This is their 20-inch invisible knots unit. I don't know what they call this curl pattern. I don't know if this is a deep wave. Whatever it is, I'll be sure to link that down below. But you are going to get 6 inches of deep parting space. It does mention that it's a full lace wig, which I just saw. I didn't even realize that. Let me turn around and let's see what this looks like in the back. So I can't see, but if it's a full lace, that means you guys are going to be able to part it all the way down. I didn't even know if it's a full lace, so that's just an added benefit. I will say that I did get a little bit of shedding when I was manipulating this unit. However, the shedding wasn't in excess, so it's nothing that caused me to be alarmed. I will say that I haven't really seen any bad reviews on this brand. Most of the reviews I've seen have all been positive. If you've purchased one of their units, I would really love to know your experience. So leave a comment in the comment section down below to let everyone else know what your thoughts are on this unit. So I'm going to stand up real quick so you can see where this unit lays on me. This is the 20-inch. As always, it's not going to appear as long as a straight unit would. But this is where it's landing, right around the chest area. And I already showed you guys what it looked like from the back. So dolls, you guys know I like to put my wigs through the wringer. So I decided to apply the flat iron to this unit to see how it straightens. And as you can see, this hair took the straighten very well. It looks nice and healthy when straightened. So now the big question is, will the curls come back when I wet it? So first I tried to wet it using this mist spray, but that's just a waste of time. Simply dump the hair in some water and watch as the curls automatically return. So dolls, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the information in the description box down below. I was able to secure you guys a coupon code, so I will have that across the screen as well as in the description box down below as well. But y'all already know, before we get out of here, what we gonna call her? What are we gonna call her? Go ahead and leave your name suggestions in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for that beautiful unit I reviewed last week. The new name as well as the person who submitted that comment will be listed across the screen. So dolls, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button on your way out. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.